Voltage is present. You can't see it, you can't smell it, and if you feel it, it is already too late. Stay away from everything. Safety comes first. To prevent accidents on construction sites, the management of Hanab Energy Solutions considers it important to inform everyone about the risks associated with high-voltage substations and electrical cables, including colleagues who do not work on construction sites daily. After watching this video, which we called the BEI Light Instruction, you will have a general understanding of the hazards in and around high-voltage substations and electrical cables. You will understand what Hanab Energy Solutions stands for, and you will know what colleagues are continuously dealing with. You will also be aware of our rules for working safely. You can apply this knowledge in your daily work. A lot can go wrong around voltage on a construction site with very serious consequences. For example, an employee can come into contact with live voltage by touching it, or even just by being near it. Simply being close to high voltage can have severe consequences, such as serious burns or even death. If, for example, an employee lacks sufficient knowledge about earthing equipment, even a large vehicle can become live. Every employer is required to create a safe environment for everyone present on a construction site, including visitors. The Dutch safety standards for electricity ensure that everyone works in the same way on a construction site. These are the general Dutch standards: NEN 3840 for high voltage and NEN 3140 for low voltage. Every owner of an electrical installation must adapt the standard to suit their own installation. The Dutch grid operators have done this with the operations of electrical installations for the high voltage sector and the low voltage sector, or in short Dutch, BEI BHS and BEI BLS. Hanab Energy Solutions also follows the BEI for its activities. All technicians and supervisors at Hanab Energy Solutions hold a BEI BHS designation and a BEI BLS designation. This qualification is granted when training and experience have been demonstrated. Technicians and supervisors with a BEI BHS and a BEI BLS know when a workplace has been made safe, by whom, and where this is documented. They know when an installation is earthed and locked out, and ensure that the earth is clearly visible at the workplace. They ensure that a workplace is adequately shielded and know exactly what to look for to assess this properly. They only start work once the work responsible person has given the instruction and permission to do so. In short, technicians and supervisors holding a BEI BHS and BEI BLS certificate know how to work safely and can recognize unsafe situations. This BEI Light Instruction is not sufficient to grant you a designation. You must always work under supervision and can only gain access to the work from someone with a designation. If you come onto a construction site and follow the instructions, there is no risk of coming into contact with high voltage. If you have any questions after watching this video, contact the work responsible person or the installation responsible person at Hanab Energy Solutions. Do not hesitate to ask your questions, because with us, the rule is we work safely or we do not work.